What's going on, homies? I'm back for another awesome Amazon deal. As you know, I like to travel and I like to make my travels easy and efficient. So I needed a new electronics bag to carry my cables and my my chargers, my batteries, and you know, just to make it more organized, because before I just had a little bag and I just threw everything in the bag and it got pretty messy. So online I got a really cool electronic accessories organizer bag. It usually goes for like $21, but I actually got it for $6.30 with the deal. So here it is. It is called the, I guess it's called Iksanil electronic accessory organizer bag, and it's pretty cool. It's not too big. It opens up here. It has two mesh pockets right here. It has a big giant, really big pocket right here where you can put your tablet, and it has a bunch of organizer sections here, and this is Velcro, so you could take it apart and make it a big section here or a small section here. You can move it around to make it fit what you like. So this is how I'm gonna do mine. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to get all these devices here into this bag. Okay, so this is everything I have that's going to fit in this travel bag. Okay, first I'm going to have a bunch of cables, USB-C cables, micro USB cables, all-in-one cables, car charger, external power bank, batteries, charger for the batteries, a little mouse for my international plug and charger, a couple of extra wall chargers, ankle wall chargers, a camera charger for my Nikon camera, and another wall charger that goes into my international charger to charge up more devices, and my Samsung tablet. And it is all going to go into here. Okay, so first of all, I got my little batteries here. I'm just gonna put it in there on the mesh bag. I have my memory stick here. I'm gonna put it here. In this section up top, I'm gonna put my international wall charger. And it's kind of small, so I'm gonna move this Velcro up a little bit so it just fits it perfectly. Like that. All my USB cables here, from USB-C cables to micro USB cables to whatever cables, will go in here and this section there. Just tidy that up. I got this wall charger that goes in, well, the battery charger will go into this pocket. The wall charger will go on top of that one right there. My power bank will go here. I have some more room here for my Anker chargers, and my Nikon charger goes there. Everything is fitting perfect. My Anker charger goes here, and my mouse goes right there. And last but not least, my Samsung tablet. It is a 8.5-inch tablet. It goes into this part right here. Perfect. Now check if this fit. Look how organized that looks. Look at that. That's perfect. Took me 2 seconds, well, a couple minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes to do this. And it just closes up. Zip it. Oh my God! Forgot my car charger. So my little car charger goes right here too. Okay, you zip it up. There you go. Perfect, with the little handle. So this will just go into my carry-on suitcase. And that's pretty much it. This is probably one of the best accessory bags, accessory bags for electronics I've ever seen. It holds everything compact, it's nice, has a little handle, and for some reason it doesn't feel as heavy as when I just throw everything in my little bag that I had before. So I got this for $6.30. It usually goes for around $21 online. And this is a must-have if you travel a lot and you're trying to stay organized. So this is a very good Amazon deal. I'm glad I got it. Anyways, alright, that's it for this one. I will put the description of where I got this and the Facebook pages I follow in the description box below. And I hope you guys go out and get one soon, because when I last looked, these were going by pretty fast. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next time.